What kind, man?
Do it.
A girl or a boy?
Man. Do it again.
A girl or a boy? What are you doing?
Thriller.
Where's Liza? Kate? Megan?
Now do a chick.
Oh no.
Lord. Do it again. Everyone's staring at us like we're crazy people.
Eliza can't even do it. You guys just don't have that. You need to open your mouth more. That was an animal one. No, do animal scream.